Today we're adding our trees and we're going to work through in rainbow order. Starting with the beginning of the rainbow, we have a primary color, red. So I'm going to do a small dip and we're going to make kind of like evergreen trees. So there's going to be kind of diagonal lines going one direction and diagonal lines going the other direction. And you can add as many as you want. Okay, the next color of the rainbow is orange. What colors do we need to mix orange? Okay, so we're going to start with red because we already have red. And we're going to do a second tree red. Clean out your brush, so stirring, kind of touching the bottom, not splashing. Dry your brush on the sponge. Okay, I'm going to add a yellow to your palette. Now we are going to use the yellow 3 times. We're going to use it for the orange, for the yellow, and for the green. So you want to make sure your brush is really clean before you dip in. And you're going to paint right on top of the red. Okay, I want more yellow, but if you look at my brush, you can see that my brush is no longer yellow. So I'm going to clean it out and then get a little more yellow. Okay, and we're looking for the tree to look a little bit more orange rather than red. I should see a difference between those two trees. Okay, cleaning out my brush again. The next color of the rainbow is yellow. So we're going to make a yellow tree. Our next tree is green, so we're going to make it yellow first. Clean out your brush. All right, our last primary color is blue. Dip. And mix on top. Only one dip, or it will overpower the yellow. Clean out your brush. And then we'll do a blue tree. Okay, you should still have one more tree. What color are we going for? Okay, and how do we get that? So we're going to do another blue tree. Clean out your brush. Dip in your red. And do that on top.